Lost your entire deposit? It's because you didn't have a strategy. Let's fix that. Hey there, I'm Eva, and today I'll tell you about 10 strategies that will help you not only trade but also earn on cryptocurrencies, even if you're a beginner. You know, without a clear plan, trading becomes just a gamble. You bet, you're lucky or not. But if you use proven strategies, you can minimize risks and increase your chances of profit. Today, you'll learn how to start earning on crypto with minimal risks and even without huge investments. Trading is like playing chess, but instead of pieces, you have bitcoins, ethereums, and other cryptocurrencies. The essence is simple: buy low, sell high, and if you do everything right, you leave with a profit. But you know what's the catch? As in chess, it's not just about the move, but the strategy. Without it, you can easily lose all your capital, like a chess player who moved the queen and forgot about protecting the king. Trading is not just press a button, get rich. Imagine you're in a supermarket and you know that tomorrow there will be a discount on these same products. Why buy today? In cryptocurrencies, the logic is the same, only instead of products, assets, and instead of discounts, market fluctuations. Only in the supermarket, no one shouts that milk prices will skyrocket in the next 5 minutes. That's why strategy is like a navigator in an unfamiliar city. Without it, you can easily get lost and instead of profit, get losses. If you know where and when to go, you can avoid market traps and reach your goals with maximum confidence. Often beginners enter trading without any strategy, thinking they can easily catch luck by the tail. But the market doesn't forgive such mistakes, and the deposit is gone. We don't want that because our goal is for you to be successful and earn on crypto, not lose your money. What's your experience with trading strategies? Have you tried any before? Share in the comments. In our next video, we'll dive into our first two strategies: trend trading and scalping. Don't miss it.